Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5115M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with open operator station. Tractor has just over 850 hours. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty. And again, it is the 5115M model, so it's the heavy duty model. Has 115 horsepower. We did just service the tractor, so the tractor is freshly serviced. Does have the rollover bar and canopy top. Steps on both sides of the operator station there. Does have the mid valve, if you do want to add a loader, does have the mid valve on it. Has the radial tires. Has the heavy duty 3-point arms, 540N, 540E PTO. Top link is on the tractor. Has triple remotes back here, rear work lights. These open operator station tractors in this horsepower range are kind of hard to find. And again, tractor has low hours. I believe it's right at about 875 on the hours. Has a 16-speed transmission, 4 ranges and 4 gears. Gives you a total of 16 speeds. Does have the power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.